We are now going to be working on the scallops back across the band of the bow. There's going to be 8 scallops on each side. So to do these scallops, we're going to do double crochets into the edging here. So every like between row 2 and 3 right here is where we're going to be working on the first scallop. We're going to work 6 double crochets right into this spot right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's try that one again. 5, 6. And you can count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And then you're going to find that same stitch 2 more rows down on the edge there, and you're going to slip stitch in. That is the first scallop. I'll walk you through another one. 6 double crochets down 2 more rows right here in the same spot. 6 double crochets in that spot. Five and 6 double crochets. We're going to slip stitch down 2 rows again, that same spot. And we're going to complete it all the way across the row until there are 8 scallops. And on this last one, you're going to slip stitch right into this, like this 10th stitch here on the bottom. And that is 8 scallops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this side that you've been working on, this is the right side of the bow, and this is the wrong side. So now we're going to fold it right sides together, and we're going to slip stitch these 2 sides together. So right over here, we're going to go in the 10th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to insert our hook into that stitch and reinsert it into this 10th stitch here. And we're just going to slip stitch right there. Now we're going to continue working slip stitches in both rows, going down 1 stitch at a time. Another slip stitch. And another. You'll end right here in that beginning stitch. Okay, now we are going to flip it right side out, and we are going to start doing our scallops across the other side. First, we're going to slip stitch over in here just to make things a little bit easier. Just start over there. And we're going to go down and see which row this was in, and that's where we're going to do this picket. So once again, 6 double crochets in that stitch. Follow that row right here. That's where we need to go. 6 double crochets. Oops. And then follow that row too, just 2 rows down, slip stitch, and now we're just going to make our way back across doing 8 scallops. All right, we're going to slip stitch into this side of the seam there, right there. And we're going to slip stitch one more time back across here to prep for the next step. There's our 8 scallops across the bottom and the top. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.